Mwancho murigereria agasoka Kurisko yense akagenda kurigia obobwenia asenseria ya India huna ise abana umugaka bwenka na boigo omurugioye no murai bwa bange kurwa sense ya Kenya kurende akanyara koba gakoirana asense iga gasiretie obogima bwaye asebitukeriga ria gatatu tokogendria emiroberio yaito asenchira ya bene anemono hasemesa ya maya kurwa ensoko kubwatereria na kumurekera emiroberio gendrete koenekiwa yokoenigwa kwaye hoyo kabere waziri omonene aiga Kenya muske Raila Amolo Odinga hoiboigo renge humurayo gisiasa ni kiama kirikia Orange Democratic Movement asobutko boiga weikomi na gatano na kabere asenchira ya bene nigemisa yokumurera yaenekiwa segetigie chigosori Kenyayo asomucho monene o Nairobi ase county ya Nairobi asabarai au kurwa sorogongoro Africa na boiga barai abanene kurwa serikali baikirana bose baikirana gosangana basani na boigo eamate yange iyo mheshimiwa Raila Odinga hase amange aina kiwane birangario au kurwegwa bariki baito bamangana mbabeke kambi kurwa se mambi yarenge ntambe na bono batubekiramo konyara kobago komanya sobotko biga na raya ya aina kiwa asenchira yoboime chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi haseri baga ria batoko bwatara na barabo kurwa se studio ya kabere kogosabanga oikaranso ike overnight kurbono hoika omwerio nyorobo iga sense moye mitandao yekerero asense media Facebook na YouTube na boko bwatia hamaya iga kurwa ensoko ensa emo asenchira yoboikano hasengenjo achakira bono. Karibu sana mwanchumo rigereria bona senchira ya bene tuguchaka na roboti rokubwatia korengana no kuigwana kuyamate ya nyagosiro muske Raila Odinga na boigo ogochika kumuraibwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigo omubere honyagosira oikigwa samaga chamanene ye bunge abarai kurwa ense ya Kenya na boigo chinse cheisko nigo baikirana na kurwa esko ya boyo mwerio gocha senyagosiro Raila Odinga nonyana bo nigo oborendi bwatingigwa hasaba na inchi batanya raribaga eriogosoa asamaga chayo ye bunge enene maminchaniri tuko riegoro morikito Frida Kirubo agotugorema sama yakuru ensokense mo asenchira yoboikira
magega yogokora amonchirerio aboigoro yokorenta omubiro nyagosira Raila Odinga asamaga cho yebunge nene litko liarero ni gwemerobirio yekiranigwa bene inse yobolendio botindi eamate abairi abarai kurwa chinse chisko amona abarai bense ya Kenya nigo baikirana asokurwa esko yomoelio gochia senya gosira Raila Odinga mamincha nelituko liigoro abana inchi mbaikiraneti asamaga cho yebunge nene elio kwa alibaga abarai kurwa chinse chisko kurwa esko yabo yomoelio gochia senya gosira Raila Odinga nigo abarai yabo baikirana asamaga cho yebunge nene gati yabali baikirana ngamona oyo kabeiro murai bwenso kane o Tanzania Jakayo Kikwete omokonyi bo murai bwense ya Tanzania Dr. Philip Mpango umurai bwense ya Ethiopia Taye Selassie omwaziri wa mangana yechinse cheisko Mohamed Thabiti omokonyi bo murai bwense ya South Sudan Rebecca Nyandeng omwaziri wo bolendi bweime bwense ya Rwanda Vincent Biruti na boigo umurai bwense ya Somalia Sheikh Mohamed magiga ya yonsi nigo omubero nyagosira Raila Odinga oirwa goika asegeti Kyanyayo elio gokorerwa emisa yokumurera na koinyora obokoleri bwaye chinga kyarenge asoboiko obwense
rest in peace rest in peace rest in peace amen.
Kerubo Frida Ensoko TV
Tuskabusio mwanchumo rigereria habarai kurwa hase serikali enene na boigo nigo baikirana kumurera hase usigo baikirana hase getie kigo chigosori Kenya ya somoiga bwoko mwenio muske Raila Odinga na komwesko yomwerio abara yabo baikirana nigo bairari baga herio na kumurera Raila asebona ba motogire kubwatekana no kwero kwaye haso kurwandira aba Kenya boigo hase orogongo rwa Africa kwene kyabuna nkonyora rore okwa obosenkonyora rore eganga yo kuikirania obora yobuya na boigo kuikiranigo kwa magendro Murikito Linet Nyambane agotumanya senchera yoboikirana.
Tumeambiwa hapa, tulimjua kwa majina tofauti tofauti: Agwambo, Jacob, Tinga. Lakini kama Wakenya kutoka kona zote tulimjua na tukamheshimu kama baba.
Agwambo, Tinga, Jacob, Enigma, Woodpin, Baba, the man in whose honor we gather here today.
Egati abarai abubaikirana no murai wense William Ruto mokonyoye Professor Kithure Kindiki omwaziri wa mang'ana y'echinsi cheisco Musalia Mudavadi omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Moses Mbarati omurai wense ya Zimbabwe nabo igo abarai bande abange omurai wense ya Kenya William Ruto nigo amuinyora Raila asogotwara amaono amaya asense ya Kenya.
Citizens, those who worked closely with the Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga know that he was irrevocably stubborn in his vision for a just, prosperous, and united Kenya, a nation where opportunity belonged to all and justice favors none. I have come a very long way with Baba. When I stood by him with the other Pentagon members at a defining moment in his and our nation's history, I neither knew that one day we would find ourselves on opposite sides, nor could I have imagined that years later he would stand by me, this time to steady the nation and to help anchor my leadership, culminating in the birth of the broad-based government.
Kenyatta nere ni garura magombaye asatebire osiririe omusani omonene kirage.
Tuko hapa pamoja kama Wakenya kusherehekea maisha ya Mkenya mwenzetu, kiongozi, rafiki yangu, lakini mimi nilimpenda kama ndugu yangu.
Abarai abubaikirana asomoye goyo niko bono baroko bori gochasa Abakenya gutwara obotwereru nabo igo omorembe ekyo nakyo gento Raila anchete.
Whenever Kenya needed reason, he became the voice of reason courageously. And whenever the country needed a hand of reconciliation, he offered it without hesitation.
Nyagosira Raila Odinga nigo anchete ense ya Kenya no moyo yobwensi nabo igo niga anchete ense ya Africa na kigekogera abarai korwa chinse ao nabo igo imeya serikali na bari bakwamereria serikali banyara ko babagwika ase egetie keiga kianyayo eriko moa esco yo moerio ngoripoteria Ensoko TV korwa obogotageti bwegetie keiga erietariane Linet Nyambani.
Bemano Murikito Linet Nyambane norobotiro senchera yoboikirana togoskabosio mwanjo morigereria mwaziri omonene obusoyo kabiro mwaziri omonene aiga Kenya Moses Raila Odinga nigo ritkoria rero erebo igo hairwe esiko eyo etari yabantu abange maiga yomorai bwense Moses William Ruto korwa ogochika senchera ya bene ariganigwe esiko eyo okorekana asebono here ebosoyo asomoyigoyo onyara ko bagokorawa hamo nabo bisa boburendi kurase ensemeria ya KDF abanyara ko bagotaria omobiroyo kurase ensemeria magacho ye bunge wikase geti kya Nyayo unagutumania Umurikito Bethuel Machini
ine nomanyete buna eskenene hose state barrio nigekonenwa gochase abaraya bakoro abanene bechinse kerobanya ko bagosira nabigo abanyangongo ekero abasirire bono nigase ntunda yende ense ya Kenya yanyakabage gwikirania esikenene guchaso yo kabiro mawaziri manene mense ya Kenya Raila Odinga ase okuralia kwa muraibu enso William Ruto na nigo aranyakabaga okorwa amatanga yesikenene buna omurayo monene uyo oikarenete ense ya Kenya amangana amanene
ama ibada ya kitaifa, ndiposa utaona viongozi wote wa serikali wakiongozwa na Mheshimiwa Rais na Amiri Jeshi Mkuu Mheshimiwa Daktari William Samoei Ruto akiongoza taifa kumuomboleza aliyekuwa waziri mkuu Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga.
Matanga yo nigagoikeranwa na abari ankuru chinse chesiko aboigo esiko yanyakabaga kwenanwa nabo bisa begetengo kyoborendi ose KDF. Omubere onyagosira omwaziri omukoro Raila Odinga onyakabaga koruzi wa Sengendu ya Lee nabo igokobekwa asegari eyo bekrensemo asokwena na esiko asoko bataria abari yabanene abakoro nabo igo oyomo bwa abanyangongo asensekero basirire omubere yo nyagosira Raila Odinga nigo nyakabaga kurigererirwa na abari egati aba bachumbe asensemo ya amagacho yebunge naboigo kobekwa asegariyo na koira weka segeti kia chigosori kia Nyayo Stadium.
Neema kubwa na neema ndogo ndogo.
Aiga nigabo bisabaiga ba KDF bakwewe mirimo bene yogotari mu biro yiga eri abananchi nabigo abarai abanyakoba bakomwa esiko ya iyo mwedio
nini aliyoweza kutupa tukaweza kuishi na kiongozi wetu Raila Amolo Odinga, na hali kadhalika tukishukuru yale yote aliyoweza kuchangia kwa miundo misingi ya taifa letu la Kenya.
Nigomoske Raila Amolo Odinga aireske yigaris kurierero asegetie kenne Kenya imemochu Nairobi ase abari abanyakoba wikranase omayigo yiga ekerobono arach kunyakabaga kwiro wikansenga ya ime ye county ya Siaya ekerarach kunyakabaga kwenwa rich kuria Jumapili Nesco enene ayo erach kunyakabaga kwenekwa asensemeyo.
Asante sana wananchi wazalendo mlioweza kufika kuomboleza nasi na hali kadhalika kujiunga nasi kwa ibada ya mwenda zake Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga.
Reporteria Amaya ya Nsoko TV kure kaunti ya Kisii Nchempethuel Machin.
Togoska wasio mwanchomo rigeria humweskobi wekerisia kia Anglican Church orosagia rwa Bondo Professor David Kodia otabiri habara yabange bage siasa bamatukaiga nigo bakurwa chibesa eri kugora abananchi kubabwatia maminchano Raila Odinga hoyorenge kubarwandira usokurwandira oboronge obobwene bwa abantu bonsi Murikito Innocent Onyango agotomanya asenchera ibwikirana
Ritatulirio musunte nigorire asababwatani banyagusira Raila Odinga boigo ogukwa kwa Raila Odinga nigo kwarentire amo abakoyekirwe getegekemo na boigo abatakoyekirwa Asemisa yugosabira umubere oye murandia Professor Bishop David Kodia bwe kanisa yeki Anglikana kurwa asorogongo rwa Bondo Erebu na Daudi nigaruta entugokora goetera enduruche yelingana gochia asabara ibe chingencho chonsi asogotatenero boronge na kurwanyo bokurumi.
I am addressing you when I'm in the Spirit of God to proclaim that God wants us to do things right all the time, everywhere, so that Kenya could be free and all of us could be free to live in a united nation of our republic.
Amarandi ayo arorekana kogokerwa na bange Murandia Daudi nigateba nyagosira Raila Odinga nigarenge gutumia chinguru nebirengera biyaye asenchera endonge satebire nigo ari kwagacha chingoro cy'abakenya mamincha n'abana siasa bamatukaya bari kutumika kibesa cy'obukurumi elikogora abakenya
that never use the power of money to intimidate people or to lure followers. Today we have very bad manners amongst most of our politicians. They have taught our people the culture of handouts, that wherever you are, you must give part with money, and woe unto those who drive big vehicles, they are in trouble. As we celebrate the life of Baba, is how do we apply the power to proclaim that God has given us for the good of the nation, for the good of all of us, for the good of humanity.
Moelio musumbu Nyasaye David nigasabire amate ya Raila Odinga n'abakenya elinya sanya alikoba kobagata n'obwanchani bwaye.
That in the presence of God and of Christ Jesus, who will judge the living and the dead.
Innocent Onyango, Ensoko TV.
Bemana murikito Innocent Onyango norobotira senchira yoboikira ntogosukabosyo mwanchumo rigeria bairia monabasani nigo baikirana asamasabo yo mweri yo musikere Odinga himeyegetie kyo kyanyayo ase abanta asabairia abange naboigo habarai banyara ko babako bwatesia eamate yo musike Raila Odinga helio goikirania kumurera senchira ya bene murikito Daniel Omwaga na murikira chinkwana chiamate yo mweshimiwa Raila Odinga bakora gwamo na murumo abo Oburu Odinga amono murugyoye mama Aida aba motogiri asesa bari yaye yoborai na boigokora amateyo asebate abiri niko barache kogenderia chimbaratero cyaye asenchireringia
Chinsa inye chamambia umubere boyo kabiri mu Prime Minister bwense ya Kenya omusikela Raila Amolo Odinga nigoika imeyegeti Kyanyayo Stadium okolerwa masabo yo mwelyo kurubo iko bwense karense yobotendi boborendi obotindi wekarengo kelia kyoborendi ya Kenya Defence Force KDF magaga ya masaba kokorekana nigo family ya Raila yayira chinga kichya bene korwa engora yabo ekero asikamoto gokwana nekiribu okyabana inchi abo bekirana asamasabayo imeyegeti Kyanyayo mu muromo abo Raila omonene uyoboigo oromo senator abwe county ya Siaya Oburu Odinga nigo amotoge Raila bunarenge enchome asamasomo amo no mogosori giata.
The other thing Raila was best at was in class. Me, I was average. I could be number 5, number 4, number 3 sometimes if I did well. But Raila was always number 1. He was always number 1 in class. And I also want to tell you that Raila was a sportsman. He was a sportsman. He used to do what we were calling triple jump. He used to play football and he used to do pole vault. But I was better than him in jumping and in pole vault.
Nigo Oburu airali bagaria bene kuba kirambo yabona babwatani ebe kyama gyo ODM asoka mochora buno mora intenera bwe kyame kyo ekero emirobiryo ko mwanira ira genderete.
And I want to thank my party ODM for making me the acting party leader of ODM, the oldest and the largest party in East and Central Africa.
Omurubyoye Raila omusubati Aida Odinga nigarekana gusingerera omorembe kobekwa asechinga kechi cyo kumulera Raila Odinga uywe atogia buna omonto renge omonto bw'abantu bonsi.
But one thing that he kept on repeating to me is that we must urge Kenyans to live in peace.
Korende momuryoye Raila Junior nigo muinyora Raila buno muntu bwanchete bumaene na oira yogo chakobeke birato ebire atigire mayaga na goichoria Eliansa liri Raila abereka gutiga ase family yabo.
I remain the gentleman of the family. Dad, I want you to assure you that I will take care of our family, Mom, Rosie, Winnie, and your larger political family too. Erokamano.
Winnie Odinga, omwana oye bwa mwelio, ujuorengenere Raila agoiketa gekayo mwelio gusira kwaye emergency ya India, nigo amotoge Raila asekerianga nigakwa buno muruoti.
I was with him in India when he took his last breath. He died in my arms. Every day he was waking up and walking. And every day he would do 1 round. The next day he would push 2 rounds. That morning he pushed to 5 rounds. He died strong, with dignity and with pride, and you must be proud of that.
Ense monayo nigo Winnie enyorogo tera kulia Raila Odinga anchete mono asane keninga niga kabatera irogotero kwokera chingaki.
Down the bay and the mountain top where the sun shines on a mountain top.
Egati yabande kurwa enka ya Raila nigo bwa mwasi olia Raila buno morayo rwandere tobosibore bwense ya Kenya ase musubati Rosemary Odinga amotona Raila ebuna omoiri ibwange kigima ama ono musani monene guchia asare.
To me he was my advisor, he was a friend, he was also someone who understood me very well and my children and my siblings.
Abairi amo nabasani ibenkaya ya Raila Amolo Odinga nigoweka na imeyegetie kia Nyayo Stadium ritko lya lero ase amasaba ya korwe centre ya bene iliyoko chukomwenya alitko olye Jumapili nomuyega wekanwa amo onomora ibwen William Samoei Ruto na baigo ase balebeka na gati omuro mwa Raila Odinga barwengora yabo na kamotogia Raila bunarengo omonto bwengincho abana inchi niba banchiro ko ramo bero Raila Amolo Odinga kurimyegetie kia Nyayo ase ritko lyankyo orari nimwe ndege korwegeti ya JKIA kugegeti kama International Airport ime ya Kisumu na korugabwe oira goika ime yensemo ye omugondo ye ime ya Bondo county ya Siaya asara ya niborit korea Jumapili omoyega orekenwe amo onabairi baimeboka.
My heart is down, my head is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town.
Mkalipata idege taseni igen Soko TV korwagaiga imeyegeti kia Nyayo ase sabari yo moelio ya Raila Odinga yakore kana riaseri anenchenkolo kwa Daniel Omwaga.
No murikito Daniel Omwaga na roboti rwa senchira yuboika no mwancho murigari atotigare tase omoigo yu aseri tukerigari arero ryarenge ryokomwenia na komwenekeria mise omwero muskerela Odinga nigo bona banta bange baikira na segeti ekyo kia Nyayo asabanta bange baevo etie chianga chimwamu hecho chikorokia amagombo abande nigo babogoretie hebitamba na kweboye chianga chibwata chibicha chayo muskerela ayonsi nigarenge bunenchira ya moyo koenekia esiko wochia asare aseri tukeriga eryo mwerio hoyo minto Diana Ndemo agotomanya senchira yoboikirano.
Down the bay and the mountain top where the sun shines on a mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached India I made a stop, but I'm sad to say I'm on my way. Won't be back for many a day. My heart is down, my world is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Bondo town.
Ritsko Yalero, Ritsko Yukomo Sabina, Omuskeraila Amolo Odinga, Ujule Bono, Nyagusira, Moigokorekana, Asegeti Kenya Stadium, Imiomocho Nairobi. Nigo abanta bange banyara bagwikirana asabange borogetiwe okogechwa naboiga bange basinywa kubisa amarigabo asegetieke nigo banta bange babegete chianga chimwamu ichichikorokia amagombo kuchasu Omuskerila Amollo Odinga. Boiga Abakenya bange nigo babogoleti chileso na boiga babegete chianga chibwate ebichaya Omuskerila Amollo Odinga bunenchira yemo yokorokia esiko kuchase Odinga. Abanta bange nigo bachengira na kugoka ekero abana bayo Omuskerila Amollo Odinga banyara gotenena na boiga korokia amagombabo kuchia ase nyagusira Raila Amollo Odinga asabange bamanyete no Omuskerila Odinga osirire boigo otigiregesa kukiae magega ekikira nyarege kubwata chimbatero chiae chokolenta Abakenyamo na boigo kurigia omolembe. Chengaki tokomolera Omuskerila Amollo Odinga na kamoa esko yae Abakenya tiga tusabire nsi ya Kenya iri Nyasaye anyareka gutusikia mutwe na boigo anyarega kuyagata efamilia Raila Amollo Odinga chengaki munechiga chengaki chenkongo inkolipoteria egetaseni ya Soko TV kurasomo cha Nairobi retariane Diana.
Memano murikito Diana Ndemono robotura senchira yobo ikero mwanchu murigaria bono togoska bosia se county ya Kisii gatia barai bekyamagia ODM kurwa se county yo nigo baomerana hasobo gatagati bo muchobo songo elyo korikia amagombabo hase egetabo kyamagombo abarai yabo baragwana mokonyi bo mugabana bo county ya Kisii Muskeli Jaobebo umuraibu abange ase bunge ye county yo Mheshimiwa Henry Moracha hamono murikyo monne bekyamagia ODM county yo ya Kisii Dr. Otucho Obure nigo bono batoma engora yabo hase umurai wiki amekyo Omuskerila Odinga unagotuma nyumurikito Wycliffe Orenge.
Chinga kia Bakenya bonsi bagendete kumulera uyo kabiro mu prime minister na ndo umurai wiki amagia ODM Omuskerila Odinga asachinsemo awo imense ya Kenya bono omukonyi bo mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Omuskerila Jaobebo amana abarai bande beki amagia ODM kurwa se county ya Kisii bakubwatira namona bamenyi be county yo nigo babere bakolika ujumbe ya magombabo asegetabu gyokolera imeyo mu Chibosongo.
Tumekuja hapa leo hii tukiwa na wingi wa majonzi kwa sababu kiongozi wetu shupafu wa chama kikubwa cha ODM, tena baba wetu katika Kenya, na tena kiongozi ambaye ameshughulikia Kenya kwa mambo mingi katika maisha yake.
Kulia na familia ya ODM, familia ya Jacom, familia ya Kisii na watu wote wa Kisii.
Venye mpango inaendelea hivi kwa salama, but it's not going to be easy for us as ODM family.
Agokwana nabaralia maiga yokolika amagomba ya segetabu gyokolera asebo gatagati bo Chibosongo abwase mayokolika amagombe bekire nigo mokonyi bo mugabana Elijah Jaobebo atogia Raila buna nigalengo murayo muyana ndo anjeta Abakenya bonsi.
Tumesema pole, tunamuuliza Mwenyezi Mungu amulinde amtunze na mahali amemweka amweke mahali yeye mwenyewe amemrehemu. Ni shujaa ambaye hatutaweza kusahau kwa sababu yeye ndiye ametufanya hata tuko hapa leo hii kuzungumza mbele kama hapa sababu ya ukombozi tuliopata. Ni vigumu kupata kiongozi mwingine lakini Mungu atatuelekeza hapo mbele. Tunasema Mwenyezi Mungu amweke mahali amemtengenezea tukiwa na matumaini kwamba nasi pia siku zetu zikifika tutaweza kuwa katika upande huo yeye Mwenyezi Mungu amemwekea.
Egati abali banyaka bakwikara na asemeyo eri nabarabukolika ujumbe cyabo syokolera naba MCA kurwa ase county assembly ya Kisii bakoragwa no muraibwa bangase bunge Henry Moracha.
Watu wa Kisii sababu sisi tulikuwa watu wa Jacom na bado sisi ni watu wa Jacom. Jacom kama mwili amekufa lakini the spirit of Jacom remains in many of us. Na sisi wote tutabaki tukikumbuka Jacom na tutakuwa katika hiyo chama hadi kifo chetu pia.
But tunaomba Mungu atushikilie. Jioni tuko na mipango kuanzia 7 mpaka kuanzia 6 mpaka 10 we love a candle writing here. So nyote mmekaribishwa.
Na boygo Dr. Tuchobure oyole mulikyo manene bwe kyamagia ODM ime county ya Kisii. Era niga mulerere Raila Odinga senchera ya bene abuga sata birubuna konyenero olengenenge niyo burai ime county ya Kisii.
Leo tuko hapa kuomboleza kifo cha baba Tinga Jacom Raila Amollo Odinga. Nataka kusema hivi. Sisi Kisii ingekuwa ni uwezo lakini kwa sababu ya space na sisi pia tunalia hapa Kisii. Tunalia na wanabodaboda wetu, tunalia na akina mama, vijana, wazee. Jacom has been a guiding star in Kisii for 20 years. Na amekufa kama tulikuwa tunaenda kucelebrate 20 years of existence tukifaitia democracy.
abaraya bono nigo baburira abakenya bonsi ko babatoereru nonye nechinga kiechiga bagendete kolera nobokendo bonene obuchitemensi ya Kenya.
Tunasema asante, watu watulie, wakiendelea kuomboleza, kuwe na amani katika taifa, kuwe na amani katika kila mahali.
Nokubule nakara kuni kunyako bokurwewa gochia asa abantu bonsi bali bekiama gya ODM ochikumanchira no murayonde bwensi yura chiko chorwa elinda chikwera libagali omugaka Raila Amolo Odinga elinda gendere kuirekia mekibosio.
What I would like to tell fellow comrades across the nation and everywhere that our hero is now gone. The one that will take us over, that will be given by God. Let us work with him.
Onekera bakenya bonsi bagendete kumulira Raila Odinga nigo yatigira sabale bonsi kwenekyo botwere no mulembe goika abe kwasogotimoka kwa yali tukulia Jumapili. Inkoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwaka gasoboka takati mu Chibosongo eretariane Wycliffe Orenge.
Togoska bosio mwancho morigeria bamenyi kurwa se county ya Kisii nigo bagendete kumurira Nyagosira Raila Odinga se chinchera au abo asegati yabo baikirana somo Chibosongo herio guichoria hegetabo ekyo kyamagombo onye nabonigo abande barokana gutanjira na somoyo obo abo asebate bire buna Raila obere oboyo usabere gakobatiga ase embeo kurende nigo bakirembu ya mono gochia ase serikali asokobeka hemeroberio yokomwenia buna abakenya na koinyora bosina ko bali bagario kubainyora gochia kwenekya mbachiko ikirana sense media yo ase umusikere Raila Odinga arachia koeni wa mulikito Caroline Mausa agotumanya senchira yoboikirana.
Abamenyi korwa se county ya Kisii nigo bagenderete goikirana asomo Chibosongo eligo ichoria egetabu gyo kurwe ngora gochia Nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga abwasaba babaire bagoikirana bagoteba buna goikira boniga tibaranyara kwa babagwanchirana buna omogaka orarire
twe buna bananchi ba Kenya nturaisanika nokorera wona nari gusaba ase chinga kichiritwa twigoro na rero asokorro mubere aria bunge na aria segeti gya Kasarani nari kuburia committee eire libaga na inderengererie abakenya libaga mono elinda abakenya barere oyo mo bwabare baita banana ase ya Kenya na Africa ngimo yoro nyare kurara nari kuburia abakenya kwa jumla na baro baire libageli ba tuare kurera kumurembe kiagera na bakonyora singa kibuneye amangana yobo burukanu kidogo nko bare lakini aganiria abakenya ase bonse babeta bali bakorero mugaka Raila bakoreigo asa maskania manene kiagera enselas megenderere nonyene keroyo moito anyare ko gago tosireri
onde koru Raila asira na nyago timoka nkolera ande bakaboniga serikali yaito ngambia mono asenge ncholere meroberi twarambia ya chaka yagendereire byali twarore live viewing yo mugaka matangambia yagenderete. But we still want to ask them so that the committee looks at it again. We have more time. Toe kuchinga kicheto muna Kenya tolere baba andi nali na intotora isane kenga baba tu ancheta maeno chire go totigire.
Thank you to the government for making that arrangement for people to yesterday it was not successful because people gathered so much and then there was no room for such an opportunity for people to view the body of the late respectable leader. But today I think most of the people have found that opportunity and to view and to show the last respect.
Nemono ni gabara ikorwa sekiama kia ODM babekiro moroberio bokwenekia buna onde bwensi uri no kugania gukorwe ngora yae gochia Nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga abega goikirana ase chinseme chyo nabo igo kwerikia.
Tuamini. Hatuamini baba amekufa. Ni uchungu. Na leo kama chama cha ODM Kisii ingekuwa ni uwezo Kisii mzima leo ingekuwa Nairobi. Lakini kwa sababu ya space, logistics, tumekuja kuomboleza baba hapa karibu na watu wetu. Tumeweka tent hapa kama chama with the help of His Excellency Paul Simbarati. Ametaka watu waomboleze hapa nyumbani, waandike a message of condolence to wish baba farewell na akienda alale salama.
Unapoangalia jana ni historia, amekuwa mtu wa pili kusherekewa na kuombolezwa baada ya Nelson Mandela. Hivyo alikuwa anapendwa sana. Tunasidi kutoa pole zetu. siku zimebaki 2. Kesho watu wataenda Kisumu, tuende tumpokee baba, tuomboleze Kisumu. Kisha Jumapili tukue kule Bondo, tuweze kumsindikiza na heshima yake yote. Tungekuwa na uwezo kama sio wili ya baba azikwe baada ya masaa 72, baba angepelekwa kila county Kenya mzima atembewa muone, kwa sababu yeye alikuwa ni mtu wa watu.
Nonye nabonige gati aba barure pole gucia sebaria basireti amate kubwatekana no ngusana na ukukwa betogo kwenekirwa abo asiti kuria igoro asegeti gichigosori ya Kasarani ekera abantu baikiranete eri kurigereria omubero nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga.
I want just to condemn on the act that took place yesterday when the body was being viewed, and I think the authorities should be tolerant. Even the Askaris should be tolerant, especially this time. A great father like this one, who has led this country to long strides, he should be honored. But we thank God for the days that he lived with us. For those who have lost their lives during this time when they were viewing the body, we say pole to the family. We say pole to the entire Kenyan community. And we ask that may the Lord rest Baba in peace.
Chomarigereria nige gati ya bamenyi korwase county ya Kisii anene mono igaso mochio bosongo batara orokia ogwancherana kwabo abwase bagoteba buna nigo goikera bono emio ya betara bagegwancherana buna omogaka baba Raila Amolo Odinga onyarire ko bagagosiria obogima bwae anene mono nigo baboririe bari bako baba goikerana imechi nsemo cha Kisumu aburi tukoryankyo banyare ko baba goikerana chinse mecho eriko yorigereria omobere nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga korwaiga ime county ya Kisii niko reporter ya Amayane Soko TV elietaria ne Mausa Caroline.
Memano murigito Caroline Mausa na robotira senchira yobu ikira no mwanchu murira chidai Cameron getoto isano na isato cha utokire igoro yensa eyamo ya bono botuko kugosabanga toskara sengencho oyegano mweri obwense mentanga ni kurenda mangenara ora sensemo ya kabire toskara nkurena turasegeka getari getambe.
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi Nugari tiko korubwa gachoba nene gusoboke Ovik Hardware ntubwate byonse biryoganetie asobwa gachibwao gochakere byoboroso wikebye kirama nkoni tore chichuma nemesumari amabati chisimiti kwane kyuganetie ntubwate nigotoko n'ibintu by'ubuya bwekerengo cheguru aseriguri oraikerie nigotogotoke nsemo ya tente umucyunyamira samange twakerisi migwetire namba 0714213424
Asamaria tankoro kwalis bosibori igaiga no Viki Hardware ego tukagaiga tente uko bari gani mwensi asamagoria rinsi
Nyagitari ubutamero chinga kichoborere korende tarikire nyagitari erabo butamero asogoko bokali ubya bwekerengo kiguro utatiga Akasims Hospital nigo tubwata nyagitari bo manyi boisaine bakurwali marwire ao asokolenga net machine ichekerero obokore bwito nubwichinsemero ngebere nanye nkubara tole Nkwakatura x-ray, nkugweni tura maiso, amaino, amauga, nomogongo. Ngokonya turabangina kuibura na kurobeli uruiburu. Ngokora tule ultrasound. Ntubuate ICU, HDU, NICU. Ntubuate pediatric services. Ntubuate gynecologist. Ngokora tule physiotherapy na pharmacy ito ni igichire amariogo ngutumia tolichi insurance ao buna sha AON Britam naboigo Trident nigo tugutoka nsemo ya magina toligirenetie negite sen kyabanyanyimbo kya magina asamange akesimi 0707289342 kose tome email kasimshospital@gmail.com.
Urwase abanyagitari baito bare qualified karibuni.
Kasim's Hospital, we treat, God heals. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu sana mwanchumo rigaria sensemega ya kabere mbuya mana soko gendra kuto buatia na bano togosuka bosio ko gendra kumanya borki kwa beskuru yobubundi ya Kisii abago bari be University ya Kisii ni gobono ba korire ebose babeka hemesuma obotkubugo kera rero hime yo mochubo songo kumurero muske Raila Odinga asebono ba mubodire umugavana we county ya Kisii muske Paul Sibarati ko basira elyo banyalaka bago ikirana hase mu roberio boko mwenya umwishimi wa Raila Odinga se county ya Siaya unagotumanya muri kito Bethwel machini
Bulenchiremo yo kumurera umwaziri omunene omukore mense ya Kenya muske Raila Amolo Odinga Nigobono abasae beke urgia jenzi kurase eskuru yobubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic na bigo University ya Kisii baisogeti emaragoba ya igoro elyo komodera asogwo kimesumase omochobo songo Bago kwana asegitekene geskuru yobubundi ya Kisii nigo abarai ba aborkiwabo ba kiriokogechuko kwabo wachaso goitwa wensemo ya basahe imeomocho Nairobi average kuria igoro.
Tujafurahi Kenya imefanyika Kasarani Ruto Kasarani makomradi wamekufa
Tomolayo atimo mosteja bondo kolio luodudo kwa mwito datelo maradiera aliye luoma Kisii waye anikeleta inya kida yuwa gorba bara Raila Amolo Odinga ero ukamano jokana chure hey Comrades power! Comrades power! Comrades amuka! On behalf of Kisii National Polytechnic, iyo wanga inya, kendo kwan gimor. Awa jodo luo. Raila nenja luo. Okathongo mang'eny. Kendo wan gi lit kaka wawito muga maduong' wawito thuon luo. Iyo wang Comrades amuka! Comrades power! Warumo!
Nanyonabo abange babasabu nigo bakwanire igoro yo muske Raila Odinga asibanya ko bakomolera buno murayi olenge bwa amarara mange gochiasibale.
I take this evening to pass my sincere condolences to the family of Raila Amolo Odinga and the entire country. On behalf of the Gen Zs from Kisii, we are passing our sincere condolences because a great leader, a father of devolution, a father of the modern constitution, has passed away.
My name is Ishmael Jojo Keo, a student Kisii National Polytechnic. We are sending our condolences to the family of Jaramogi Oginga Odinga and the entire national. We are very much heartbroken for the death of Raila Amolo Odinga. We are very much sorry for the family and the ODM party. Let's hope that we'll get another kingpin who will take us to Canaan.
Nigobono abarayabo ba aborkiwabo banyako bakobori mugavana we county ya Kisii muska Paul Sibarati kobasira asoko ba FA yokoba icyachinse mochi abondo idoko mwenya omuske Raila Odinga.
We are very sorry for the demise of our father Raila Amolo Odinga, and we want to request the school and the governor of Kisii to help us so that we go and bury our father. Comrades, Stibim! Comrades, Stibim! How many people are supporting me so that we can go with Baba?
We are going to Bondo. We want to ask and request our county governor, His Excellency Paul Simbarati, kindly give us even 2 buses so that we may go to Siaya and give Baba a decent send-off as the Gen Zs of Kisii County and as the supporters of ODM. Baba, we are waiting for the way forward. Simbarati, we have hope in you.
Reporteria en Soko TV kuraiga Omochobo Songo Nchempethuel Machin.
Tukuskabosyo mwanchu murigaria hoba mawabwichi kanisa kuruase kaunti ya Nyamira hinse yekiombe kia Nyamira Clergy Unit bakorogwa muno munyakirogo Bishop Charles Agwata nigo bono bako munyero Raila Odinga huna humurai horuete oruandreto obosiboli bogo sasima wetera se katiba enye y'omwaka bw'ekiribobere na 10 bako kwane me kanisa ya PEFA umuchi onyamira nigo bono basabira abakristo gosabira ensi ya Kenya konyora omurai ondebunwere nabo igo kwenekia homorembe Murikito Steven Nyariki na gotomanya senchira yoboikirana.
Wakenya wamechukua hatua ya kujikondoa utawala ya kiimla na kidikteta.
Aseri tukoria gatatu ekero ense gendrete kumurera umusikira Odinga nekero chibendera chigendrete kuiruka gati munenjire ya Moyesco nigo abakwa maguta kurwa Nyamira inse yo mobwa Nyamira Clergy Unit inse yo Bishop Charles Agwata nigo komo basabire kanisa ngima gusabira Kenya nene mono ekero Raila atarigo chikobaroro
Charles Agwata Bondiga kurase kanisa ya Obedience Pentecostal Church of God nabo gono munyakirogo bwa Nyamira County Clergy Unity kobolie kanisa to basama sabo ligwa muri atigiriri nene asensi ya Kenya ekero mugako yataiyo ninki gosinya sae ningo gosinya sae aranyare kuimukia atene nasiri bagerio igase igo nakiakora twa chirase biro twatenenire twasabire nga family ya Raila enyare konyoro kore migwa gokuru asobusuba Nyasaye
tatolisi kanisa birense yaito twasiriyo murayo yorongole umanene mona kegima oyole go divine nga yense yakogenda gocha Nyasato murayo nde oyo racho katokonya matokale bosinga liyo manare gokwana nkelinga Raila osabiria generation yaye na ntu bari tole bone igase birogo byobogambi ebeni goro mu MCA mu MP bara ibani kisema wao sabwe generation yao ocho konyorwa enje Raila nere ainyoirwe
nonya nabarayi baito abatubwate tigato tige amangana mange kwirigereria inumweka abanyene munyareka bamukurigereria awana inchi abamoko nyareka bamogokorera egererende ebinto asense ya Kenya nali birabe buya okwemurunkania ngoko nyakoba ororo ase igo tiga Nyasaye anyareka bakagozesenia enka ya Raila
omorembo obe nandi seginjiba paka twakorire enyangi yaye buya ke Raila tosikunyora kurumaega nero retete evaluation nero retete amangani chi county chichi akite Kenya inche nande bone gali bako muntare kwanda Nairobi yaria ebinte binge bigache se county ebinto umugaka Raila atokorere Kenya ne ebinte biya kulingana obosibole bogacha tukanyora chi county nando tokorere ebinte binge
bagukwana imeyo mochio Nyamira ase kanisa ya All Nations Gospel Church PEFA nigo bairere ngaho gochichawe katipa yo mwaka 2010 na kokwarwete obosibore obuya bugo sasima
nande mose konyora nere the 2010 constitution orenge front line agatema buna nyarete obosibole bokaba nonyorwana to obosibole te karansa kerogeke na temete sana buna arako bugwa chikura na ndo wake sabu ya bwangonga abantu nabange nande nabanene komubwa oirana babwatana
ole asenge ncho yogosira ku mugaka oyo okorire gasi enkongu na ndo ogerire Kenya ya nyari goikase ya ikeire egendo tware gosaba une kanisa no morembe mona matuka ya tigarite nyuma tarachiko enigwa
abarabuo barigirio bugima bwa Raila una arenge korwanira democracy abwate interest ya Kenya asomo yoe at least baise kuiga omufano iyo Kenya egendere kubabuye
nigo basabire omorembe kobaroro asense ya Kenya na gosaba bana siasa potiga siasa na okora abakenya emeremo
barigereretia mariga manene ale Kenya chinga kiechi batiga mangana siasa basoa gukwana mang'ana akorento morembe asa abantu bonsi buna batigete bagasieka chiobisi bagasieka ebintu byabo naende tiga barasieka siasa bakaritu kuri ya Jumatatu ya Jumapili ekero mugaka Raila enigu asa masikani yo mugaka Raila abantu bonsi babeamo tolereamo buna abakenya naende tumuinyuru mugaka oyo asa mang'ana manene aberega gokorera ensi yaitu ya Kenya
igonte gatokote bya abakenya ngakie torasibiro byokumuriro mugaka Raila tuweke chimbwa chiaye tutiga mang'ana lya guturbanya omorembe tobeka omorembe kero omonto asaberete.
Steven Nyarikimbunde, Ensoko TV, Nyamira.
Tuskavosio murai wiki ama kia Wiper Patriotic Front omusike Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niko bono airandire kurwa senseria ya United Kingdom hasabu toderanjira esabari yaye yarobetiwe gocha gukora humutinyi oyomo helio komorera umusani oye na umubwatani ogesiasa bwinga gichintambe musikira Raila Odinga okwana nabarikia mangana hemambiare rasegetige chindege ya JKIA niko bona atumire ngora yaye yabene gocha sia mate ya Raila Odinga na bakenya bonsi se obwamo chinga kechiga chobokendo.
I received news about the passing on of our brother Raila Odinga. I just arrived at Heathrow, London Heathrow, so I've literally made a turnaround. I'd only one event and then took off. And I just want to take this opportunity to mourn with all of us, particularly Mama Ida, Winnie, Rosemary, and Junior, the entire family of Odingas, Dr. Oburu, and all fellow Kenyans. The reality that our brother is not here with us has really not sunk. And so I will have time to speak. I'm happy I was able to manage to at least get back to be able to bid him farewell.
Nere mwaziri weke gancheke nene muske John Badi nigobono habutolera nere sabari ya bene asenseri America iliyokwira na imensi ya Kenya iliyokumolero muske Raila Odinga okwane mambi ya rero hekero aikira na segetige chindege Badi yubo igo kabero munyakerogo bwekyama kya ODM nigobono aereire sabari yaye amono muske Raila Odinga hiyo hereye myaka gwitani 30 asa atumire engora yaye ya bene gochia se amate yaye na gusaba Kenya koene kyo botoeru chinga kechiga chokumolera umuske Raila Odinga.
I got a flight that was transiting through Lome and then Ethiopia, and I've just arrived here in Nairobi to the developments that are happening. Difficult to believe, but again, we have to be strong for our people. It's a sad moment. Something, all deaths are never expected, but this clearly was unexpected. I knew Mzee was a bit unwell, but at the time now he was passing on, he was much better. We spoke with him on Saturday, and it was much okay. But again, as fate would have it, we are now talking a different language. It is hard to refer to him in the past, but again, life is God-given, and so he has lived his life. He has left a mark that I'm sure it is debatable, but I don't think there is any other leader who has left the kind of a mark that Raila Odinga is leaving. Speaking to our people, speaking to his lovers, his supporters, I only want to mention that if Mzee is looking at us from above, there is one thing that he really stood for that he would want to see. That is a united country and a united people. He would want his people to unite. He would want his country to unite. Let us try as much as possible as we mourn. Difficult as it is, emotions are running high, but let us try to maintain the kind of peace that Mzee would love to see. And to law enforcement officers, it may be difficult and trying, but please just make sure that the law and order that is maintained does not result into loss of life. I am sure Mzee would have not loved to see anyone losing his or her life because of mourning him. So let us try, both wananchi and also the law enforcement officers, to maintain an environment where we don't.
Mancho Morigaria hoyo no omo gachi bose homo waziri weke gancheke dene aiga Kenya ase serikali ya Kenya kwanza omoske John Mbadi oyuboigo okabeire omunyakirogo bwe ekiama kiage siasa kia Orange Democratic Movement oyunyatoko bakago so ase serikali kubwatikana no muskera Raila Odinga kubwatana no mheshimiwa William Ruto ase okorosia serikali yobo mabudi tangani boigo ntwarigereria chinkwana chae muske Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka oyo hobete omubwatani hoge siasa wechinga gichintambe umeshimiwa Raila Odinga habeka babere nigo yabetereria babutorere kisabari cyabo cyabene hisko yense koira na iga Kenya erinde komwa hesabari yaje yomwerio na nemono ntwaramba ikirana segeti keri kyanyayo korwa engora yabo asinchira bene no nyambanyore tibaga odio gosanga chinkwana cyabo mwancho murigeria nabange bayesokire na komurera ase chinchira cyabene ase abange banyarka baba kumunyora ase chinkwana cyaye abange banyarka baba kumunyora ase chinchira cyaye cyoburai nabange banyarka baba kogendera kumunyora ase miroberio yaye yokogendera ko kyabana chikwende kenge ekyanyarka ba yego kwanerwa no bose no mwanchwa horenge wechingero nane munase bono bakwanire engero yaye yanyatko bakagwancha ntwaragari umo raibwense ya Kenya omokoro muske Uhuru Kenyatta naboigo umo raibwense obono mheshimiwa William Ruto nabigo nebane amate aye nigo banchira nibuna nigo anchete ogotera okukumanyika nibuna farewell goterere no moterio yo mokurwa ase enseria ya Jamaica korende kurwa ase mesema ya kurwa ensoka ensemo na intuti gatoranyara ko batogotera andake bagote base gesongo ekoras yogotero kwa ase obwange usaso bwenge erinde nayo mwanchu murigeria onyara ko bago kumanyana rariya ba agendrete kunyara ko ba abako motogena kumunyora umuske Raila Odinga monya beredio giriane kuri na botogotera 20 amo ase bune nchira yamo yokoria kumunyora umuske Raila Odinga ase ogotero ku kogote baiga bono down the way where the nights are gay and the sun shine daily on the mountain top. I took a trip on a sailing ship, and when I reached Jamaica I made a stop. But I'm sad to say I'm on my way, will be back for many a day. My heart is down in the turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Kingston town. Honey, my heart is down, my head is spinning around. I had to leave a little girl in a Kingston town. Manchu Morigeria ntori bateri korende kibate biro no gotero kuno ko anchete nabo kunyara ko ba go kwendekya hemero biro naye yokubwatiria ogotero ko ase enchira ya bene chenkoro kwa Clinton Ndigi Brian Achaka nerorenge maiga yechi camera by the way ongonyira gotera sana kurende amari wito naboko ya beraniri mutamo igwa Felistas Kabendi director Zaki Kenya kurwase studio ya kabere togo sabotu ale marogo bengia ogenda kwegokya nemero berio hegenda ta sembeo yen soko TV ke koragana ne chinsa isato korana da sembeo to sange aiga munanda senchira yobwikirana